Ever wondered how to make your spare change work for you without a lot of effort? That's the magic of Acorns, the app that automatically invests the digital leftover from your everyday purchases. But to start turning those pennies into a portfolio, you first need to connect your bank account. It's a crucial step, but don't worry, it's also quick and secure. In just a few minutes, you'll be on your way to saving and investing effortlessly. So, how do you do it? Let's walk through the simple steps. First, open your Acorns app and navigate to the Profile section. You'll see a menu with a few different options. Tap on Linked Accounts. If you're a new user, this will be one of the first things the app prompts you to do during setup. If you already have one linked, this is where you can add another. Next, you'll be asked to search for your bank. Acorns uses a secure third-party service called Plaid to connect to thousands of financial institutions. This is a secure industry standard, so your information is protected. Simply type the name of your bank and select it from the list. After you've found your bank, you'll be prompted to log in using your online banking credentials, just as you would on your bank's own website. This is how Plaid securely verifies and establishes the connection. It's important to know that Acorns never actually sees or stores your login details. It only receives a secure token that allows it to see your transaction data for the roundup feature and to move money into and out of your Acorns account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be asked to select which specific account you want to link. Choose the checking account you use most often for daily purchases, as this is the account that will fund your investments and be used for the roundups. After you've made your selection, confirm the details, and that's it. You're all set. Your bank account is now securely linked to Acorns, and you can start micro-investing immediately. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.